Welcome to Senior Health, the channel where we bring you life-changing tips to stay strong, independent, and healthy at any age. Today's topic is one that most people never even think about, yet it affects almost every senior every single night. Imagine this: every evening you carefully lock your doors, turn off the lights, and slip into bed for what you hope will be a peaceful night's rest. But hidden all around you, inside your very own bedroom, are silent hazards that can slowly steal your health, drain your energy, and even shorten your life. These are not dramatic dangers like a fire or a burglar. They are common bedroom items, things you see every day, things you've probably owned for years, that can silently hurt your body night after night. The scary part? Many seniors don't even realize these dangers exist until they start experiencing unexplained symptoms like poor sleep, high blood pressure, breathing problems, memory decline, or morning fatigue. But the good news is that every single one of these hidden killers can be fixed with simple, practical solutions that will dramatically improve your sleep and health. So stay with me as we uncover the 5 bedroom items silently killing seniors every night and how to fix them for better sleep and health. Number 5 is the most surprising, and almost nobody talks about it. Let's begin with the first silent danger: your old mattress and pillows. Most people keep their mattress for far too long. Many seniors are sleeping on mattresses that are 10, 15, or even 20 years old. On the surface, that might seem harmless. You might think, if it's still comfortable, why replace it? But the truth is that mattresses and pillows slowly become breeding grounds for dust mites, mold, and bacteria. Over the years, sweat, skin cells, and moisture seep deep inside the mattress, creating the perfect environment for microscopic creatures that feed on dead skin. These tiny invaders can trigger allergies, asthma, chronic cough, sneezing, watery eyes, and even eczema. Dust mites release waste particles that you breathe in every single night, which inflames your airways and stresses your immune system. For seniors with weaker immune systems or breathing conditions like COPD, this is especially dangerous. An old mattress can also sag and lose its support, leading to back pain, hip pain, and restless tossing that prevents deep sleep. Studies show that people sleeping on mattresses older than 7 years are far more likely to suffer from chronic neck and back pain. So what's the fix? First, if your mattress is older than 8 to 10 years, consider replacing it with a medium-firm mattress that supports your spine. Choose one with hypoallergenic materials to reduce dust mites and mold. If replacing the mattress isn't possible right now, use a high-quality allergen-proof mattress cover and wash all bedding, including pillows, in hot water at least once a week. Replace pillows every 2 to 3 years, even if they still look fine, because pillows are some of the worst offenders when it comes to dust mites. A clean, supportive mattress and fresh pillows can literally add years to your life by giving you cleaner air, better spinal alignment, and deeper restorative sleep. The second bedroom item silently harming seniors is something you use every single night without a second thought: your bedding and blankets. The wrong bedding can trap heat, restrict airflow, and even expose you to harmful chemicals. Many seniors choose heavy blankets or old comforters to stay warm, but these can raise your body temperature and lead to overheating during the night. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at regulating temperature. Overheating raises heart rate, increases blood pressure, and interrupts deep stages of sleep like REM. This is why many seniors wake up drenched in sweat or feeling restless even when the room seems cool. Another danger comes from synthetic bedding materials. Many inexpensive sheets, comforters, and blankets are treated with chemicals like formaldehyde to resist wrinkles or flame retardants to meet safety standards. These chemicals can slowly release toxic fumes, especially in warm bedrooms, and may irritate your lungs, skin, and even disrupt your hormones over time. The fix is simple but powerful. Choose natural, breathable fabrics like organic cotton, bamboo, or linen. These materials wick away moisture, regulate temperature, and contain far fewer chemicals. Wash your sheets at least once a week in hot water to remove sweat, oils, and allergens. Use lightweight layers instead of one heavy blanket so you can easily adjust during the night. And if you've been using the same comforter for more than 5 years, it's time to replace it or have it professionally cleaned. Clean, chemical-free bedding is one of the fastest ways to improve sleep quality and reduce night sweats, allergies, and breathing problems. The third silent killer hiding in your bedroom is poor lighting and electronic gadgets. Most seniors know that looking at a phone or tablet late at night can disturb sleep, but the problem is much bigger than just scrolling before bed. Every source of artificial light, from bedside lamps to alarm clocks to nightlights, emits a small amount of blue light that interferes with melatonin production. Melatonin is the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. Even a tiny amount of blue light, like the glow from a digital clock or the standby light on a TV, can signal your brain to stay awake. Over time, this leads to difficulty falling asleep, frequent night awakenings, and morning grogginess. Poor sleep is linked to heart disease, diabetes, depression, and memory decline. Seniors are especially vulnerable because melatonin naturally decreases with age, so even a small disruption can have big consequences. The fix is twofold. First, remove or cover all unnecessary lights in your bedroom. Use blackout curtains to block streetlights. Replace bright white bulbs with warm amber or red-toned bulbs that are gentler on your eyes and melatonin levels. Second, create an electronic curfew. Turn off TVs, smartphones, tablets, and computers at least 1 hour before bedtime. If you need a night light for safety, use a motion sensor light with a warm color temperature so it only turns on when you move. You'll be amazed at how quickly your sleep improves once your bedroom is free from blue light pollution. The fourth dangerous item in your bedroom might surprise you because it seems so harmless: scented candles, air fresheners, and cleaning sprays. Many seniors use these products to keep their bedroom smelling fresh, but they often contain volatile organic compounds, VOCs, like benzene and formaldehyde. These chemicals can linger in the air for hours and irritate your lungs, trigger allergies, and even increase the risk of cancer with long-term exposure. Some plug-in air fresheners and scented sprays also release phthalates, which disrupt hormones and may contribute to weight gain, diabetes, and reproductive issues. For seniors with asthma or COPD, these chemicals can cause dangerous flare-ups. The fix is to switch to natural alternatives. Instead of synthetic air fresheners, use essential oil diffusers with pure, high-quality oils like lavender or eucalyptus. Open windows during the day to allow fresh air circulation. Clean surfaces with natural products like diluted vinegar or baking soda. If you love candles, choose unscented beeswax or soy candles instead of paraffin wax, which releases harmful fumes when burned. Finally, the fifth bedroom item silently killing seniors every night is something almost no one talks about: old or hidden electrical wiring and outlets. Many older homes have outdated wiring behind the walls that can slowly leak electromagnetic fields, or EMFs. While the science on EMFs is still evolving, some studies suggest long-term exposure to high levels of EMFs may increase the risk of sleep disturbances, headaches, heart palpitations, and even certain cancers. In addition, old or overloaded outlets can spark and release tiny amounts of carbon monoxide or other harmful gases without triggering alarms. Extension cords running under carpets or behind furniture are another danger, creating a hidden fire hazard that could ignite while you sleep. The fix is to have a licensed electrician inspect your bedroom wiring, outlets, and smoke detectors at least once every few years. Replace frayed cords and avoid plugging multiple high-wattage devices into a single outlet. Unplug devices like space heaters, electric blankets, and chargers before bedtime. If you keep your phone next to your bed, place it at least 3 feet away and switch it to airplane mode to reduce EMF exposure. These small changes protect you not only from fire risks but also from subtle electrical pollution that can interfere with sleep and heart health. Now that you know the 5 bedroom items silently harming seniors: old mattresses and pillows, synthetic bedding, poor lighting and electronics, scented products, and outdated electrical wiring, it's time to take action. You don't have to fix everything at once. Start with one change this week. Maybe that means washing your bedding in hot water and replacing your pillows. Maybe it means turning off your phone an hour earlier or covering that bright digital clock. Each small step creates a cleaner, safer, and healthier sleep environment. Remember, your bedroom should be a sanctuary for rest and healing, not a source of hidden danger. If you're wondering whether these changes really make a difference, consider this. Research shows that improving sleep quality can lower blood pressure, strengthen your immune system, improve memory, and even reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Many seniors who make these simple adjustments report feeling more energetic, more focused, and happier within just a few weeks. Better sleep is not a luxury, it's one of the most powerful medicines for aging gracefully. So tonight, take a moment to look around your bedroom with new eyes. Your health and your life are worth protecting. A few simple fixes could give you years of better sleep, stronger health, and more joyful mornings. If you found this video helpful, please share it with a loved one who might be unknowingly sleeping with these silent dangers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly tips for healthy aging. This is Senior Health, reminding you that it's never too late to make your bedroom and your life a safer, healthier place. Sleep well and stay strong.